Sheesh. Hello there, you people. I know I look very beautiful. I got the extra high definition camera today. Boy, listen, welcome back to my channel. You already know it's your boy Dion. Oh, got me right. I got my nice camera today, and we got another car meet to go to. I'm waiting on my little lady to grab me the my other phone. I need my other phone because my actual phone's about to die in case of emergencies, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me get this stuff out the way, and I'm gonna see y'all at the car meet. Yeah, baby. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This little SRT worked with that shit. Damn, that shit was quick as the fuck. Bro got the fucking, I think it's like a LS swap motherfucking Subaru of some sort, like a BRZ or an 86. This motherfucker clean though. This bitch was getting fucking loose too. It stinks like fuck out here. And then the homie got the motherfucking 350Z. Ooh, damn, this shit zoomed in as fuck, it feel like. I had to back my ass up. That's how you know I'm used to rocking the GoPro, but, and it's like wobbly as shit. But yeah. Little 350Z, little DE shit like me. Look like he got like some type of kid on there or a wild body or something. Yeah, he do. That shit clean as fuck. But this is the most surprising one of them all. I like the carbon fiber panels. Oh, they're not carbon fiber. They is carbon fiber. They just need to be re-cleared. That shit clean though. But yeah.
Probably already passed where you need to go. Okay, it's time to get off home. Damn, we're already almost at South Tucson? There's no way. There's no way we're already almost at South Tucson. I missed Finn. You heard it? I was like, no! Alright, can you put the what's it called in for the house?
Yeah.
Wow, I can't believe it. We got played. We got played! Went out for a meet, the meet didn't happen. We're burning oil like a bitch. They didn't even want to re-meet again, man. That's how I know they was on fuckery. They was on bullshit, man. I don't think we deserve that type of treatment, man. We lost a few times too. I'm so sad. Hey, we was doing like 110 though, you know what I'm saying? Going on there, yeah. we don't go back here. Show them what this look like. No. We're gonna back this bitch up because we do not do this. We are black. What's good with y'all? Y'all already know who it is. I got some super good news. I'm gonna just show y'all. I don't even wanna say nothing right now. Let's see. Up.
Go up. No, down. Now, go up. You good?
Good, keep going.
You good? Keep going. Stop. Cool. You good? Easy. You good? Oh! Oh, shit. Oh shit, he said. But you just...
I heard all the unfamiliar sounds.
Yeah, I mean, it's the steering shit, like fighting past shit. It's okay.
Damn, that's a shitbox D.
You said that's a what, Carl?
That's a shitbox D after fire.
I couldn't hear you, Carl.
I mean, he owns one, so he knows.
I know, that's what I'm saying. How much long?
But for that, shit, Carl, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You can have that bitch out here right now as it sits. You can have that motherfucker for $800.
Hey, you ain't selling shit, pal.
Oh, disregard my
Part of the fucking agreement, bro. Motor builds require core.
They do. I'm gonna build that one too.
Yeah.
You got.
Oh, Lord. Just hit the bracket. Pull it back towards you, bro. Wedge it. There you go. Perfect. That's it right there. All right, cool. You let go. And just hold it like a little bit out of the way.
Oh, just that way.
No, it's getting the bracket past the VTC over here.
Oh.
VTC sometimes a little bitch. Sometimes you just gotta fucking pop it out. So I'll try to You broke it, bro. You broke the connector.
I did.
It's okay. That one's on a sub harness, bro, so it's not that big a deal. I can replace it pretty quick.
What do you think, Carl? Does that look good right there?
I might have pushed it a little too far over.
Pistons, rods, bearings.
We did studs.
Carl, shut
I'm just curious. I was like wondering, is this motherfucker gonna boost his shit or what?
What do you think, Carl?
I fucking hope so. Like down the road.
Yeah, we're gonna be boosted boys. We're gonna have two little snails up under the hood.
Yeah.
She's gonna be pregnant with twins, if that's what you're asking. Sheesh, damn girl, you went right with her, huh? Like a glove. You know about that? He doesn't know nothing about that. You know what that's from? Like a glove. No, I don't think it was the Pet Detective movies. Close though. I believe, my friend, it was Ace Ventura. Ooh, look at that turbo prep. Sheesh. On Carl's dollar.
Figure it out, just let me know, okay?
Thanks, Carl.
Yeah, no problem.
I heard you say that my next $500 was on you. Oh, I was incorrect.
For the starter wire, because you really don't need it. And, race car wins.
Oh, wow.
Race car wins.
That was a good few ounces right there.
That's what I'm saying, dog. I'm helping you out here, G.
It really got me aerodynamic.
Actually, if you want to, there's a bunch of oil filters right here on the dash, right here. Right here between the two, that's standing right here. So right there at the top of that shelf, blue oil filter, no red, and no lane.
Ah.
See if it dinks it?
Sounds golden. Sit.
Unfortunately. Can't always have your cake and eat it too, you know?
Yeah. Ooh. Watch this sound good. I don't hear nothing. I don't hear no bad sounds. Oh, I almost fainted when my bitch backed out the gate like that. Oh. Smells so well put together. Ah, you like my walkie-talkie or what?
That's a fucking fancy one, bro.
Yeah, that's the one from the store. What's the break-in period look like? Because I've never done that before.
Usually about 500 miles-ish.
500 miles should give me. I miss this car, man. My Beamer was pissing me off all week.
Yeah.
Yeah, that car needs whatever. It was jealous, I guess.
So the shifter housing on this thing, that 6-gear locker, the reverse lockout, you don't touch it. If you push down, it does the lockout. Oddly enough, I don't know if that's like an orientation with the shifter.
It's an orientation thing, because last time I told you I had to play with it until it got into a good spot. But other than that, it never gave me problems. Now I'm super excited. I'm juiced. I'm amped. Does this bring back the old days for you or what?
Yeah, kind of. It's just another motor.
Thank you. I know you was in here looking like, fuck, I'm 17 again.
That's as high as you can go.
Yep.
Brake. 3,500.
It ain't gonna take long for me to break it in, because I'm gonna be driving everywhere with this.
Now when you're driving, you don't want to keep it at 1 RPM too long. Focus on acceleration and deceleration. The deceleration needs to be like no clutch. Just let it engine brake.
Right, okay.
That's going to help seat on your piston rings and everything like that.
Okay, so just kind of use the powertrain to slow down more than, okay. I can
I'm
do
pretty
that.
sure I'm going to change out that tensioner or check out the timing at least before I give it back to you.
Okay.
Because that's the only sound that I just don't like. That
That-
mixed with the water pump, bro. It might even be the water pump, like something
Playing
was
around?
fucked up with it, you know? Because it did leak when I had it on the lift, and then when Jay checked it out, that literally the following Monday,
It was fine.
It was fine, and it's just one of those things like, what is that? You know?
Right.
I don't know, but I'd rather play cautious, you know?
Be safe than sorry.